Hello. These simple exercises help me get rid of my cough in just 2 days. At first, I didn't believe it would work, but I was really surprised. And I'm sharing this to help people who are struggling with a cough and haven't found much relief from medication. Get started.
Keep your back straight. Bend your arms and the elbows and hold them in front of you. As you inhale, open your arms to the sides. As you exhale, bring your arms together. Repeat this exercise 5 times. Get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. For the next exercise, bend your arms at the elbows and hold them in front of you. As you inhale, keep your arms in front of you. As you exhale, open your arms to the sides. This time we change the breathing pattern. Repeat this exercise 5 times. Get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the next exercise, open your arms to the sides. As you inhale, turn your palms up toward the ceiling and gently arch your back. As you exhale, return to the starting position. Try to press deeply into your belly. Repeat this exercise 5 times. Get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. For the next exercise, stand upright. As you inhale, gently tilt your head slightly back. As you exhale, lower your head down. Repeat these movements 5 times. Get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the next exercise, stretch your arms forward in front of you. As you inhale, raise your arms up. As you exhale, lower your arms back in front of you. Repeat this exercise 5 times. Inhale and exhale through your nose. Get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Now, bring your arms forward again. As you inhale, raise them up. Take a short extra inhale. And as you exhale, lower your arms back in front of you. Raise them up and a short extra inhale. Get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. While doing these exercises, you may feel a slight dizziness. This is normal. You can sit down, relax, drink some water, and then continue with the exercises. For the last exercise, inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Make a small opening by curling your hand into a fist, as I'm showing you. If you inhale for 2 counts, exhale into the fist for 4 counts. If you inhale for 3 counts, exhale for 6 counts. Adjust the timing to what feels comfortable for you. The important thing is that the exhale should be twice as long as the inhale.
Başla.
Two, inhale. 4, exhale. 2, inhale. 4, exhale. I hope this practice has helped you.
Bye. Bye.